Okay guys, so now I am moving on to question number 3. Question 3 is a circular letter on a letterhead. So that means that the letterhead was provided for you. So on our network we will save the retrievable files, and all you have to do is to go and open up the correct one. So the instruction says open the letterhead saved as question 3. So on my desktop I have question 3 saved for me. It is just a letterhead. There is no letter actually typed. Instruction number 2, insert your examination number in a footer against the left margin. So that's what I am going to do now. I am going to go to insert. I am going to go to header and footer section, click on the footer and click on this first blank one. Delete that first. Remember to change my font and then type in my examination number as well as question 3. Okay. So now I make sure that my line spacing as indicated, so I will follow the question paper, A4 portrait, so that's done, that's done, that's done. Make sure that I am using Courier New 12, so that's done. And those will be set according to the letterhead. Okay, so now we can start typing our letter. Insert today's date in descending order. So descending order means you are going to start with the year. Ascending is you start with the day. Descending is you start with the year. So we are going to go with 2021. Today is the July 13. Okay. Enter twice. Then we have our to section. So we know our to section should be all in capital letters. So I'm pressing caps lock on my keyboard so that my capital letters are on. Let me just have my ruler. I need a tab. So we have all campus managers. We have heads of departments. We have unit managers. Okay, so this to section should be typed all in capital letters. That's what the UC stands for. That is uppercase, so it's all in capital letters. And the SS means single line spacing. Okay. So single line spacing means there should be no space in between your sentences. This is entered twice. There's 2 lines. So I'm here. 1, 2. Now we have a heading. IT, and we have a little squiggly line. This squiggly lines means that there is an instruction to follow. So we look to our right and the instruction is in full information technology. So that's what I type. Information technology seminar. Uppercase, I typed it all in caps. Next one is bold, so I'm going to highlight my heading. Make sure I go to home. Make sure I click on bold. Font size 14. So again, I go to font size, I click on 14. Press enter twice. Then on the left hand side of our document, we have number 1, 2, and 3. Or 1, 2, yeah. These paragraphs, and there's 4 and 5, are numbered, which means we have to arrange the paragraphs in the correct numerical sequence as indicated. It does not mean you have to now number these paragraphs. They are just showing us which paragraph should be first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So I am going to type this first paragraph that starts with communications. Okay, I have to take off that, change that back. Communication is, and then we have disseminated and circulated. Disseminated is scratched out, but it is also underlined. And stet means keep the one that is underlined. So we need to keep the word disseminated. I hate this word, disseminated, to inform that at a board meeting, a suggestion was tabled to review the logistics. What's wrong there? With regard to the times and dates. Again, so times and dates are squigglied. Then we see italics, transpose, and bold. So italics and bold, we know what that is and how to apply them. I will do that now. Now this one, this transpose. Now transpose means switch places. So I'm going to type dates and times. I'm going to swap these two around. Okay. And then I am going to bold. So let's circle bold. And I am going to italics. So let's circle italics. So that means dates and times are swapped. They are bolded and they are italicized. Remove the bold and italics and continue typing. That would be used for the conference. Full stop, enter twice between your paragraphs. The delegates from the different institutions. Spelling mistake. Institutions were informed so by means of is scratched out, and then there's the delete instruction. So we're not going to type those three words. We are going to type the word via memos and faxes. The information. Sorry guys, my hands are cold and freezing. Information distributed would include a layout of the venues and the campus. Full stop, enter. Okay. Now this / means type the word the. So / means the. The IT department agreed to extend the. So registration is squigglied, and then we have an instruction SP. So SP means spelling. So registration is typed wrong. You have to type it right. Extend the registration date that was initially agreed upon by the committee of organizers at the telecom, and then there is a instruction. This instruction means insert. So at the telecom head office. Full stop, enter. It's paragraph number 4. Okay, so this one is a bit complicated. Paragraph 5 starts with the status quo, what, and then this sentence needs to go on, yeah, that's what it means. So this sentence is part of that, it's not part of number 4. Number 4 starts yeah. Okay, so from yeah is number 4's paragraph. So we are going to type the notices will be forwarded to all managers. Again, scratched out, delete. That's new paragraph, guys. So this goes with that. That was selected. We are not going to type it because we have to delete. The notices will be forwarded to all managers presenting at the conference. That's paragraph number 4. Paragraph number 5, the status quo in terms of logistics would apply for the 3-day duration of the, and there's a second the scratched out, delete, of the conference, full stop, run on. So this means run on, which means we are going to just type that sentence as part of the paragraph. The implementation of the task would be done prior to the distribution of the notices to the newspaper. Full stop, enter, enter. Then we are at this sentence over here. Please find enclosed the registration times for conference. Enter, enter. And then it says display the closure correctly. So you need to now know how to display it correctly. So it's going to be yours. Yours faithfully. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Put on your capitals. S. Boye. Yeah. IT manager. TP for typer. Then your initials. So I am Doreen Hollander, so my initials is DH. And then you don't type enclosure 1. You don't type that. Okay, and that is then question 3 done. It's out of 60 marks. You will be marked according to all of these instructions in blue. And then all of your typing, your spelling will be marked in red. So then you go to File, Save As, choose your place, question 3 and exam number. Save it, File, Print, print it. Close your document and wait for your printout. We will now be going on to question number